Please gamble responsibly. That's the latest traffic on 1019 The Fox.
If you need a doctor and your GP is closed, call National Home Doctor Service on 132.
If you're planning an engagement party or wedding, find the perfect function space at Function Rooms in Melbourne. With a variety of venues across the city, Function Rooms in Melbourne can tailor something to suit you, including beverage packages, a variety of catering options, and even dedicated event coordinators to make sure everything runs smoothly. Your perfect function space. Book a venue viewing today. Visit us at Function Rooms in...
If you're unhappy with the cost of your car